Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the Chitmang Chaiwat River Valley project funded under the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund RIDF by NABARD. Taking to his X handle, Sangma wrote, "This project in the serene landscape of Badri Rongdong, South Garo Hills marks a significant milestone in our journey towards sustainable development and inclusive growth. This project has been constructed at a cost of Rs 1.77 crores, spanning across 79.73 hectares. The project area primarily focuses on rehabilitating abandoned Jhum lands. The construction of the RCC weir, stretching 15 meters in length and standing 3 meters tall, signifies our dedication to water conservation and management," Sangma added. With an impounded area of 0.3 hectares and a storage capacity of 3 million litres, this reservoir will serve as a lifeline for our agricultural and aquaculture endeavour. Chief Minister Conrad